In a recent development, social media critic Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan, has responded to media personality Nedu, known as Nedu, and his recent press conference, which was held on February 20, 2025, aimed to address allegations circulating Nedu's action on the Honest Bunch podcast. In a video posted on social media, VeryDarkMan accused Nedu of avoiding key questions during his press conference.
Sorosoke Weary, talk loud now. Don't be when we say, "Aye, husband material. I don't want call name. Husband material. I don't want call name." So, guys, I'm trying to say that. Are you trying to say that talk louder? When I don't go organize press conference now, and I don't want to ask some questions. The 60 million that was given to you so that you can help Nigerian students. They say, may you do publicity so that Nigerians go abroad for scholarship. Out of your own greed, you allegedly chop that money. You block road from Nigerians. You block road for a lot of Nigerians because of your own greed. Today now, you carry red cap. You wear them for head, go do press conference.
VDM continued to press Nedu on the alleged misappropriation of funds, questioning him about the 20 billboards he promised to create for an NGO. He also alleged that Nedu manipulated statements made by guests on his podcast. As the viral video circulated on social media, the response from VeryDarkMan has ignited mixed reactions on social media, with some Nigerians supporting his claims, while others questioned his intentions. Meanwhile, Nedu has refuted claims that he was hospitalized due to the controversy, insisting he's in good health. He also denied any wrongdoing related to the alleged misappropriation of funds. With neither side backing down, the feud between VeryDarkMan and Nedu continues to unfold. It remains to be seen whether further evidence will surface to support either side's claims. We'll continue to monitor this story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.